Here's the best free VPN on your Android phone. Now let's head into the Google Play Store, and if you tap on search and just search for a VPN, what you will find is there are tons of VPN apps in 2026. You can see a lot of them are free, a lot of them are paid for, and a lot of them have great reviews and lots of reviews. So there's a lot of good options here, but I've been through a lot of them, and one of the key things that I find that I personally like is not having to sign up for anything, being able to download it, easily connect to fast servers within the United States where I am, as well as internationally in other countries. And I find the best one that I like is this VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Now, if you go through the process of downloading and installing this, I'll show you exactly how it works and how easy it is to immediately connect to a VPN. You can see now it is installed. Let's just tap on open here. Now, after you open it, the nice thing is if you go through here, it does say unlock premium features and it does ask you to pay for it. However, you don't have to pay for it. Just scroll down and at the very bottom, you can see proceed with ads. Just tap on that button. And now from here, let's hit don't allow. And at the very top, you can see location. It will automatically choose a location for you, depending on what would be the fastest server for you. But you can see instead of Atlanta, maybe I want a different one in the United States, or maybe I want Brazil or London or Spain or France or Netherlands. So I can choose any of these different servers and connect to them. So let's say Germany. I'm going to tap on it and let's just hit OK here. And just like that, I'm connected. It only takes a few seconds to be able to connect through a server in a different country and protect all of your web browsing. Now, if you ever wanted to disconnect from that VPN, all you need to do is open up the app again, and you can see here it says connected. Just tap on that little power button, and at the very top, it says, all right, now you are disconnected. It's that easy to make it up and running so that your VPN is on, or turn it off if you don't want it.